Mystery curtain here. Today we're unlocking the secrets behind a device that's been the talk of the tech world. Stick around as we run real-world tests. Huawei has officially introduced its latest flagship tablet, the MatePad Pro 12.2 2025. Designed to target professionals, creatives, and productivity-driven users while still appealing to entertainment seekers, all powered by Harmony OS. Building upon the success of its ecosystem, Huawei continues to refine its hardware and software integration. And this new MatePad Pro emerges as a premium, yet lightweight device with a focus on sleek aesthetics and balanced performance. The design of the Huawei MatePad Pro 12.2 2025 maintains similarities with its predecessor, offering a square-edged frame with soft curves that convey elegance and portability. Measuring 271.3 by 182.5 by 5.5 millimeters and weighing just 508 grams. The device feels slim and refined in the hand, balancing luxury with practicality. The top edge houses two speakers and a power button that doubles as a fingerprint sensor, while the right side features volume controls and a trio of microphones. On the bottom, users will find a USB-C charging port and another set of speakers for immersive audio. The back panel employs a brushed matte finish in what Huawei describes as a silk pattern, which resists fingerprints and smudges while adding visual sophistication. The rear camera design has shifted from separated lenses to a vertical island, housing a dual lens setup, providing a modernized look. Supporting accessories such as the Huawei M Pencil and Glide keyboard enhance productivity, with both crafted in elegant white and connected through Huawei's Near-Link technology. While the Glide keyboard is beautifully engineered, its fixed three-position magnetic angle adjustment feels somewhat limited for professionals who demand more flexibility. Display quality has always been a highlight of Huawei's Pro tablets, and the MatePad Pro 12.2 2025 takes a step further, with its 12.2-inch Tandem OLED panel, delivering over a billion colors with a sharp pixel density of 275 pixels per inch. In practice, the screen offers vivid colors, deep blacks, and versatile usability for photo editing, video streaming, and drawing. With a 144 Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of 2000 nits, animations and gestures feel buttery smooth, even in bright outdoor environments. The standout addition is Huawei's paper matte display technology, a matte coating that cuts glare and fingerprints, protects the eyes, and simulates the tactile feel of writing on real paper when using the M Pencil. In terms of cameras, the MatePad Pro 12.2 2025 upgrades the rear setup with a 50 megapixels f1.8 main sensor, with PDAF and HDR support, accompanied by an 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens. The front camera, however, sees a downgrade compared to last year, now at 8 MP instead of 16 megapixels. Real-world performance shows the main camera produces reasonably good shots with natural colors and solid detail, although low-light and high-contrast scenes remain challenging. The front-facing camera is adequate for video calls and AI-driven beautification, but falls short of premium standards. Under the hood, Huawei equips the tablet with its self-developed Kirin 9020 processor, built on a 7nm process, featuring an octa-core CPU with one high-performance Taishan core at 2.62 GHz, 3 additional Taishan performance cores at 2.15 GHz, and 4 power-efficient Cortex-A510 cores at 1.53 GHz. Paired with the in-house Malion 920 GPU clocked at 840 MHz. Alongside 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage. The MatePad Pro 12.2 2025 provides stable multitasking performance, but benchmarks suggest that while adequate for creative work and productivity, the GPU performance lags behind flagship competitors, positioning it closer to mid-range smartphones in terms of gaming capability. Nonetheless, It handles drawing and creative tasks seamlessly, which remains a core focus of this product. Harmony OS 4.3 runs the show, offering a fluid, desktop-style interface. Optimized for tablets without the need for switching between tablet and PC modes. This seamless integration enhances continuity across tasks, supported by Office tools like WPS, Canva, and Huawei's Go Paint app. Despite the lack of native Google services, apps can still be accessed conveniently via Gbox, keeping user flexibility intact. Powering the device is a substantial 10,100 mAh battery, capable of lasting a full workday with ease. Huawei's 100W fast charging allows the MatePad Pro 12.2 2025 to recharge to 85% in just 40 minutes, reducing downtime and adding convenience for busy professionals. Altogether, the Huawei MatePad Pro 12.2 2025 represents a refined balance of premium design, practical features, and a versatile display tailored for productivity and creativity. While not the most powerful in raw performance, its lightweight build, paper matte screen innovation, strong accessory ecosystem, and reliable Harmony OS integration make it an attractive choice. For those seeking a $940 tablet that doubles as both a work companion and a creative tool,